Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're drawing this very adorable angel from Lilo and Stitch. So come join us for this easy step-by-step. All right everyone, let's get started with angel, and if you could tell, we're gonna start with pencil and then we'll move to marker. So this angel is gonna be like super shy, and we're just gonna tilt the paper to the side because she's on the side, and we'll draw her head first. So let me start and then I'll explain it. Okay, so here we drew her head, right? And her head's almost like a rock shape. It's like more pointier at the top, but it's still round. Or like an egg shape, I don't know. But towards the bottom, I did it a little lighter because her hands are gonna be covering her mouth. So I just know here, we're not really gonna need this line. Next thing we could do is we could start with her hands. So her fingers are gonna be like covering her mouth because she's super shy. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with her left hand. And we're gonna start with, she has 4 fingers on each side. So I'm gonna start with a line that looks like a candy cane and it hooks down. So it's like a hook or a candy cane. And then I'm gonna do 3 more. If you could tell, I made the index or pointer finger a little taller than her thumb, the middle finger a little taller, and the last one a little shorter, just like how our fingers naturally go. So that's her left hand. And then we could end her hand with like a little curve like this. Then we'll do her right hand, and we're only gonna do 3 curves because her 4th finger is behind this hand. There are my 3 curves, and I'm just gonna come down with this line with like a slide. Cool, there we have her hands. And then from here, we could continue with her face. So for her face, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do her nose right above her hands, and since her head's a little turned, we're gonna turn our paper just a little bit. And above her hands, we're gonna make 1 horizontal line. And then from this line, we're gonna curve down to make her nose and connect it to the horizontal line. So there we have her nose, super easy, just like that. And then the detail of her nose is a curve like a smiley face towards the top. And then one more detail is a frown right above her nose. There we have her nose, super easy. And then we're gonna continue with her eyes, and her eyes are connected to where her nose is. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna come down from her nose a little bit, and I'm gonna make a letter U. And then from this letter U, I'm gonna wrap around and make an oval. That's nice. And then from this oval, I'm gonna drop down, and this slide or this line will connect to her nose. There we have one side of her eye, and this same design we're gonna copy on the left side. So if you guys could tell, it like curves out, up like an oval, and it returns to the nose, and I did the same thing on the left side. Cool. So inside for her eyes, we're gonna copy this same design of her eye. We're gonna make an oval like an egg, and we're gonna leave more space at the top. So let me do it first. So there we have one eye. It's more like an oval or like an egg, and we left more space at the top. We're gonna do that same design on the left side, and instead of pointing to the right, it's gonna point to the left. So there we have our eyes, and once we color it in, it's gonna look awesome. She has eyelashes, so what we're gonna do is from the top of her eye, we're gonna make a curve that goes out to a point and return it right back to her eye. And we'll do the same thing on this left side, and I'm gonna do it towards the top as well. Just like that. That little mistake right there, I could erase it with the pencil. So from here, we could finish closing off her head, and I'm gonna continue this line to her hands and continue this one to her hands. There we have her hands. So from here, we could do her body. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do her arms, and her arms are bent towards her mouth. So from the side of her face, I'm just gonna make a big U that connects to her hand. It looks like a U, or as if I was gonna make a circle. And then to make this little crease of her elbow, from this side of the hand, I'm just gonna make a curved line that goes down to the left. There we have one hand. And then we'll copy almost the same design. So from this arm, I'm just gonna make a big curve, like a backward C that connects to this side. It looks like a backward C. And then for the rest of her body on this side, I'm just gonna make a curve that connects up to her face from this part of the C. just like that. So there we have her hands, and then we could continue with her body. So in the middle of her face, in the middle of her nose, because her nose is in the middle, we're gonna come down almost towards the bottom of the paper, and I'm gonna make a point. This is where her legs and her body is gonna be. So from here, I'm gonna curve out to the right with a line, and then I'm gonna come up with a curve to her body. So you see, I came out with a curve and I returned with a curve, almost straight line up to her body. We're gonna do the same thing on the left side. This one's just gonna curve out just a little bit more. So now we have the inside of her stomach, and then we could continue with her feet. So we're gonna start with her feet, and what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna make a curve here, like a backward C, and then a regular C on this side, just like this. And we'll continue with her toes. So she has 4 toes, and they're the same like her fingers. It looks like mountains or like upside down U's, but we're gonna do it to the side. So here, look, I'm gonna do 1, looks like a U on its side, and then I'm gonna do 3 more, and they're all different sizes. So there we have her 4 toes. From here, I'm gonna make a C, just like this, the letter C, and then I'm just gonna copy this curve on the outside. So I'm gonna make a curve that connects to her arm. There we have her left side of the body, and then we'll copy the same design on the right side. The toes are just gonna point to the left. Here we'll do a backward C, and then we're gonna curve just like her body does, up. And before we reach her arm, I'm gonna dip in just a little bit and then curve back out and up to her arm. There we have her body. Look how cute she looks, and we're almost there, guys. So what we could continue with are her ears and her little like antennas. So her ears are right beside her head, lower on her head, like right next to her eyes. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a line that curves out and up. So I'm going out, and then I'm gonna curve up towards the top of the paper, and then I'm gonna make a little mountain, right? Because her ears are curved. And then from here, I'm gonna copy this same curve, so I'm gonna curve in and connect to the side of her head. There we have 1 ear, and we could copy that same design on the left side. It's just gonna be a little lower, because remember her head's a little curved to the side, and we'll do it at the same distance and the same height. So there we have our ears, and then the details inside of the ears are gonna be the same. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the same curve, making it thin. And then towards the bottom, closer to her face, we're just gonna make a curved line that goes down, but it doesn't connect to her face. Same thing on this side. And then just a curved line that connects to the bottom of her ear. There we have our ears, and guys, we're almost done. All we need are her little antennas. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a curve like a rainbow, and then we're gonna copy that same rainbow on top. That's one side of her antenna, and then we'll do the other side, her left side, and we'll do it the same way. We'll just leave a little bit of space in between the two, just like that. Her antennas are gonna go down, and they're gonna be on the side of her face. So right under her eye, right on the side of her face, is if we were gonna continue, I'm just gonna make a curve that looks like a worm or a snake, right? And then the head of the snake, which is usually round like this, and we'll just copy that same design right back to her face. And I'm gonna start from her face so I know where to end. So look at that, we have 1 little antenna, and then we're gonna do another curve like a snake on the left side. And there we have it. There we have Angel looking super shy and super cute. The only thing is I'm gonna highlight with my markers, and I'm not gonna highlight the parts on top, like right here, like her eyelash. That little line through her eyelash, through this eyelash, and then this line through her hands. But everything else we could highlight. You could use a thick marker or a thinner marker around the little areas. And there she is outlined. Look how pretty she looks. And now the fun part is we could color her in. So grab whatever markers, whatever crayons, whatever color pencils you have, and stay tuned for the final look. All right, everyone, and there we have it. Look at the angel. She looks so adorable. She looks so shy. Her hands are like this right to her mouth. And I just wanted to point out some things. I usually highlight with marker just so the color pops out more. And then I use some purples. So like the top of her ears, I use some purples, her nose, little spot on her antenna. And then obviously the lighter pink is the inside part of her ear, and then the outside part, just so it looks more vibrant and kind of like 3D. So hopefully you guys found this fun. Hopefully you guys found it easy. We also did Stitch. We did more cool Disney Pixar characters. So stay tuned and please like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.